I saw Conjuring, the last one, the last rites, and some thoughts on this movie. See, the Conjuring film essentially reinvented this entire horror drama genre. And जो पहली Conjuring film थी, that's undoubtedly one of the best or perhaps the best horror movies ever made. I don't think they can ever make a horror movie like that ever again. And the last one was not that great, but it was a perfect send ऑफ फॉर द फ्रेंचाइज आई थिंक एक एक्टर जब इतना साल एक फ्रेंचाइजी में टाइम स्पेंड करता है दे ऑल्सो गेट बोर्ड आउट ऑफ इट दे वांट टू डू एनीथिंग मोर पैट्रिक विल्सन वेरा फार्मिगा उन्होंने अपना legacy cement कर दिया as one of the best actors to ever grace this genre and they also want to do more right and they're also getting pretty old they're in 50s at least Patrick Wilson is Vera Farmiga I'm not sure and they want to explore other genres एंड डिस्पाइट द अदर फिल्म्स इन द कॉन्जरिंग यूनिवर्स इनको भी सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स के चक्कर में 10 फिल्म्स आई थिंक हैव बिकम एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर नॉट ग्रेट अबाउट 3 आर ग्रेट आउट ऑफ 10 बट देव ऑल बीन हिट्स फॉर वन ब्रदर सो दैट वाज द ओनली थिंग that was encouraging them to make more movies. But Conjuring Last Rites, there are good and bad aspects of it. Uh, I'll start with the bad one because that is little more prominent. The first half is only family drama. फैमिली ड्रामा में ही है मतलब वॉरेन का फैमिली दिखा रहे देयर इज दिस गाय हु वांट्स टू विन द हार्ट ऑफ द daughter of the Warrens and they're showing that dynamic. That is the entire first half. The real haunting sort of the case begins in the second half, and that is what irked me a little bit because एक horror movie में I want to see the actual haunting. I want to see the actual spirits. उनका story क्या है कैसा पूरा universe tie करता है and don't watch this movie अगर आपने पुरानी movies नहीं देखी है उनके बारे में आपको पता नहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा as to what exactly is happening on screen. So do check out the other movies before you decide to watch this. Otherwise you'll be quite lost. Right, or read up about it or see some reviews online or see some summary online. So the first half is entire family drama, barbecue कर रहे हैं, beer पी रहे हैं, इसको heart attack आ रहा है, great, fine. And of course this movie while based on true events does not entirely mimic the entire true events, इसमें थोड़ा creative liberty लेके इन्होंने change किया है. And my only thing is, am I watching a family drama or am I watching a horror movie? Where is the haunting going to start? When is the haunting going to begin? And where do I see the ghost? And that doesn't happen until the 1 hour has gone and I'm waiting 30 minutes के बाद start होगा 40 minutes के बाद start होगा एक घंटे बाद मैं भी बोर हो गया कि haunting कहाँ है? I don't want to see just the family drama. It's good to see the family drama. I like the actors. But I want to see the actual haunting. I want to see the actual execution of this and how they manage to defeat the ghost. और जब वो दिखाते हैं इतना rushed होता है ना कि एक घंटे में सब रैप अप करना है इनका भी प्लॉट लाइन रैप करना है इनको भी इनका लेगेसी भी क्लोज करना है वॉरेंस का घोस्ट को भी डिफीट करना है फैमिली को भी बचाना है बेटी को भी बचाना है वो सन इन लॉ का डायनामिक भी फिक्स करना है इसको हार्ट अटैक आ रखा है इसको भी पिल्स खाना है दिस इज टू मच हैपनिंग इन द लास्ट 1 hour सो आई बिलीव द पेसिंग इज एन इशू द राइटिंग इज एन इशू instead of focusing purely on respecting the characters, I wish they had focused a bit more of the haunting. Sure, you respect the characters, but don't do it beyond 30 minutes. Otherwise, the audience is not getting what they want. The movie is thoda unnecessary long. 15-20 minutes बच सकता था if the writers and the directors made a tightly written script that focused purely on the Warrens fighting with the demons. And honestly, by this point, all the viewers know what they're going to expect on the screen. You know that the Warrens are going to defeat the ghost and then they're going to have a great happily ever after because at the end of the day, hey, that is what makes a horror movie stick, right? You're defeating the ghost of franchise ही खत्म है इसके बाद भी ये स्पिन ऑफ बनाएंगे बहुत कुछ करेंगे फॉर श्योर बिकॉज इट्स अ कैश काउ फॉर देम इन्होंने अराउंड 200-300 मिलियन डॉलर्स खर्च करके सारी फिल्म्स बनाई है एंड इट इज मेड 2.2 बिलियन डॉलर सो इट इज 10x का मल्टीपल है तो ये लोग और भी मूवीज बनाएंगे दैट इज अ गिवन दैट इज कॉमन सेंस हाउएवर you can give up the ode to the Warrens at the end of the movie, right? You can celebrate the actors, the Warren family, their history, legacy. But why are you doing it inside the movie entirely 50% of it, 50-55% of it? And when the ghosts do appear, right? The thing is that there's so many things happening that you sometimes don't get scared. Of course, it had some great scares in it, but it was not as scary as the first one. At one point, I was like, okay, I know what's going to happen. एक jump scare आएगा, यहाँ से कोई आएगा, वहाँ से कोई आएगा. This will transform into this. The doll is again haunted. The tropes are pretty much the audience knows, right? There's nothing new that's going to happen. So that was some of the complaints, but otherwise a pretty decent movie. Great send off to the actors, to the entire universe that they have built, and glad that this universe exists. अगर Indian filmmakers इसको देख रहे हैं, please don't try to copy or remake अपनी खुद की story लाओ and focus on the good storytelling rather than doing bullshit nonsense with fake CGI. but otherwise it's a must watch film. But I would say if you don't get tickets, don't rush to watch the theaters. ये ओटीटी में आ जाएगा, आप वहां पे आराम से देख लेना। ये इतना भी अच्छा नहीं कि आप हॉरर जाके पूरा थिएटर्स में देखो, बिकॉज एनीवेज हॉरर तो ज्यादा इसमें है ही नहीं, एंड दैट वाज परहैप्स द मोस्ट डिसअपॉइंटिंग पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म। अदरवाइज अ ग्रेट फिल्म, आई डिड एंजॉय, आई डिड हैव माय शेयर ऑफ scares and the thrills that I really liked in the movie. But otherwise, sad these actors won't come back. Hope they cameo, या hope this legacy continues. पता नहीं क्या Warner Brothers का plan है, but otherwise, fantastic one-time watch. Go check it out. It's now playing in theaters.